MotoBros and girls, welcome back to another video. Today is 4th of July. We're gonna go cruise down and watch some fireworks and take you guys along for the journey. Should be a nice little show over here if we can find decent parking. And yeah, I'm gonna cruise on down there and hopefully give you guys a good show. Hopefully lighting's not too terrible. Might be on the way back, but we'll see what's up. Oh shit. Be po-po season right now. Oh yeah, it is breezy, my boy. It feels very breezy. My nips could cut glass right now. They're all exposed too. So I could hear you, but I couldn't see you. Hop, hop. Hop, hop. So yeah guys, let us know in the comment section down below what you guys did for 4th of July and how your 4th of July was. Hoping you guys all had a good day, had lots of fun. Oh, that was slippery. There's a spot over there. Oh, there's a few spots over there, I think. Somebody's blocking one of them, but there's one up there though. Oh, that's like a quarter of a spot. Yeah. This is when it's nice to have bikes. Just go ahead. What a mess. Follow the leader. Sucks for all of you guys. Should have bought a motorcycle. Oh, good. I see another motorcycle. Go. We made it, guys. Yep. Oh, you're good, bro. You don't have to move. Dang, look at them. It's a whole bunch of people. This is why it's nice to have a bike. You don't have to sit there and wait for hours. Just cut through all the crap. Bike sounds nice. We're trying to get through this mess. Takes full coordination so I don't get smacked by another car. Yeah. A scoozy. Try not to take out someone's mirror. Oh, get skinny. I hate how much the mirrors stick out on this bike. It's so sketch. Almost ran into you. No, it was like doing a wheelie and then you came by and it came down kind of sideways and then I let off and then got back on it and it lifted again. Yep. Rubbin is racing. Yep. Alrighty, guys, I know. Oh god, my balls! Oh, right when I let go of my handlebars too. Oh, that freaking hurt. Anyways, I know it was kind of a short video, but we hope you guys enjoyed it. We just wanted to bring you along for the little journey. Hope you all enjoyed the video, and yeah, we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.